Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are covering the perfect intervals. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on the I button. Now let's start music theory. So friends, today our topic is perfect intervals. For grade 2, you need to know about perfect fourth, fifth and eighth octaves. All major and minor scales have a perfect fourth between the first and fourth degree of the scale, a perfect fifth between the first and the fifth degree of the scale, a perfect eighth and octave between the first and eighth degree of the scale. So no matter which grade you are in, always remember the fourth, fifth, eighth. Okay, and the unison we don't count, but fourth, fifth and eighth are always a perfect interval. Okay, as you grow up in your intervals and in your grades, you will understand better and better. Just for right now, remember, like you have learned about major third and minor third, major second, minor second. Here fourth, fifth and eighth interval are always perfect. They are not major or minor. Okay, so now let's straight away move on to our exercises. So you can see they're given the first example. Name the following intervals. Perfect fourth. You can see the distance between these two notes. So we'll start with the exercises. So let's see. This is a bass clef. This is our G note, and G. This is our fourth space. This is also G note. Okay, so that means this is a perfect eighth, right? Perfect eighth. Okay. Now next one, you can see this is our treble clef, and this is E and E to B. So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is perfect fifth. Okay, next here we go, this is bass clef, this is G, G, D, E, F, sorry, G, A, B, C, D, so D. So this is again a fifth interval. Okay, this is perfect fifth. Okay, now next you can see here, this one is treble clef and this is A, so A to D, so this is A to D, this is fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is perfect fourth. Okay, next you see bass clef, this is our F, so F to C, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is perfect fifth. Okay, the last one we have is treble clef, and this is our A to A, so this is an octave, so you can write perfect eighth. Okay, now let's move on. Now here we have to name the following grade 2 intervals. So now in this exercise we have to find out all the intervals which we have learned in grade 2. That means major third, minor third, major second, minor second, perfect fourth, fifth and eighth. Okay, so let's start with the first exercise here. So let's check the notes. So this is treble clef and this is B flat, and this is our F. Okay, so for right now I told you let's make one small keyboard so you can understand in a better way. So it is C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. So this. Okay, now so if you can see here, we said from B flat to F, and I always told you please count from lower note to the higher note. So if we go from fifth to B flat, right, so this is one, if you go interval 1, 2, 3, 4, this is perfect fourth, it should be perfect fourth, so distance should be between perfect fourth should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, and 7. The perfect fourth, if you go into perfect fourth, first remember the distance between the perfect fourth. So perfect fourth distance, if you remember, it was, I told you it should be 5 semitones. Okay, so if you see from here, this is 5 semitones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see from F to B flat is 5 semitones. This is our perfect fourth. Okay, now next one we move. Next note is here. This is our bass clef, and this is G. From G, B and D. So from G to D. So if you count from G to D, if you count that way, is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this should be a perfect fifth interval. Perfect fifth. Right now I'm not checking how many semitones are there, because we have not learned the other intervals than the perfect one. When you, if you decrease one semitone or if you raise one semitone, these perfect intervals, then what it becomes. So right now it's straight away, if you go from G to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is perfect fifth. Okay, I'm doing in that way. Only we'll check the interval in the minor and major third and second. Next we see this is treble clef, and this is E, and this is E again. So this is perfect eighth. Perfect eighth. Okay. Next, here this is bass clef, and this is A, and this is B. So A to B, it should be a major second. If you see A to B, right? So A to B, 2 semitone distance. So this is a major second. Sorry, second. Right now you can write it in that way. I've in a hurry, I just wrote it like this. Okay. So next is treble clef. This note is our G note. So G to B. This is again G to B in this case. So this is again major second. Sorry, G to B is major third. See, G to B. So 1, 2, 3 is a major third. Okay. Next is here we go. This is bass clef, and this is G, F, E, D. So from D to F. So from D to F. So 1, 2, 3. There should be a 4 semitones distance if it is a major third interval. So, but if we see from D to F, it is 1, 2, 3. There's a 3 semitones only. So it's a minor third interval, not the major third. Okay. Because if you see in major third, if it is a minor third, you see the distance between some G to B is a 4 semitone if you count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this case, in minor D to F, there are only 3 semitones from D to F. If you count D sharp 1, 2 and 3. So these are the 3 semitones you have. Okay. So that's why it is a minor third, not a major third. Yes. Let's move on to the next one. Now next you can see this note is treble clef, and this is D to G. Now D to G, if you see 4, so this is a 4 note. So this is perfect fourth. We will not count semitones in this one. We'll straight away go for perfect fourth. Okay. Now next you can see is a bass clef, and this is our E note and F note. So now you go straight, E to F is 1 semitone only, so it's a minor second. It's not a major second because it's only 1 semitone distance. Okay. So if it is a 2 semitones distance, then only it would be a major second. Yeah. Next one is the treble clef, and this is our D note, and this is our F note. Now D to F, again 1, 2, 3 semitones. So this should be a minor third, not the major third, because major third distance is 4 semitones. Okay. So here we finish our this topic, friends. I hope you like it. Now I will see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.